With this video, we will see truth table for the full adder and the respective boolean expression. Unlike half adder, full adder performs addition by considering carry. So total operands which are involved in addition by full adder are 3. A, B, these are the two operands representing organ addend, and the carry C in. Since there are 3 variables, 2 raised to 3, 3 is representing the number of operands, 8 combinations we are going to have from the full adder. When A, B both are 0, 0, carry may be 0, carry may be 1. For 0, 1 combination of this A and B, carry may be 0, carry may be 1. For 1, 0 combination of AB, carry may be 0, carry may be 1. For 1, 1 combination of AB, carry may be 0, carry may be 1. So these total 8 combinations representing 0 to 7 in decimal we get from these 3 operands. Then any addition results in sum and carry. So we will see the sum and carry for each of the combination. For 0, 0, 0, produce sum is 0, carry is 0. 0, 0, 1 produces sum 1, carry 0. 0, 1, 0 results in sum 1, carry 0. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, sum is 1, carry 0. 1, 0, 1, sum is 0, carry 1. 1, 1, 0, sum is 0, carry 1. For 1, 1, 1, see 1 plus 1, 0, carry is 1, and that sum 0 plus 1 is 1. The previously generated carry is 1. Then we'll try to write the expression for sum by considering the minterms which resulted in 1 output. So first minterm is 0, 0, 1. A, B, these are complemented, C is uncomplemented. Next term which is resulted in 1 sum is 0, 1, 0. A bar, B, C bar. Remember, in case of minterm, complemented form is taken as 0, uncomplemented form as 1. Next, 1, 0, 0. A, B bar, C bar. And last one is the A, B, C. In either of these combination, generated sum is 1. So all these combinations are ORed with OR operator. Now always try to take C as a common part. So by considering this first minterm and last, we will be having A bar, B bar plus AB in bracket. By considering these two middle terms, C bar is common, giving rise to A bar B plus AB bar in bracket. A bar B bar plus AB, this resembles XNOR operation. A XOR B complement this operation. Whereas A bar B plus AB bar, this resembles to XOR operation. So which could be written as A XOR B. If we let A XOR B term as X, then this expression is in the form of C X bar plus C bar X, which again further resembles to the XOR operation. So this could be written as C XOR X. Now by replacing this X by its original term, we'll have C XOR A XOR B. So this is the expression for full adder A XOR B XOR C. Then coming to the carry. We'll write the Boolean expression for the carry by considering the minterms which resulted in one output. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. These are the four minterms which resulted in one carry. So the respective terms are written in the expression as A bar BC plus A B bar C plus A B C bar plus ABC. Now from these first two terms, we will have C common. A bar B plus AB bar plus from these last two terms, we have AB in common, leaving C plus C bar in bracket. By applying OR law, which says A plus A bar is 1, will get AB bar plus AB, where C plus C bar is replaced by 1. AB into 1 is AB. Then coming to this term, A bar B plus AB bar, this is representing XOR operation, and the respective operation is shown as A XOR B plus AB. So these are the this is all about the truth table and Boolean expression for sum and carry.